Let me start by showing a couple of photos when I joined the Rotary back in 2018. Fast forward, only 2 years after, I was already groomed to become the next leader. The question is, did that 2 years of being with Rotary make me ready to serve? Let's find out. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Transformational President Ryan Leary from the Rotary Club of Pasay Silangan, and I'm pleased to present to you our club's major accomplishments. This year, our club will be celebrating its 39th year anniversary. With a 31% increase in membership, we now have 17 active members. Headed by a team of great past presidents, our club members belong to diverse classifications having an average age of 42 years old. It has dynamic members responsive to our community needs, guided by the principles and excellence in service through Rotary's 7 areas of focus. With regard to the club's TRF giving and recognition, among our active members, we have 2 Paul Harris Fellows, 1 multiple Harris Fellow, a major gift donor, and a benefactor. With a $1,000 contribution for this year, it brought our club's all-time giving to $41,000. As per Governor Challenge, we've achieved 9 out of 12 goals, and we're still working on the remaining goals below. The club has been off to a good start by joining our very own District Governor, Oni Tariela, on a mobility project as we attended to the needs of the elderly and children with cerebral palsy at the Missionaries of the Poor. We've had the Bidang Bida si Barangay Tanod project, wherein the club had distributed reflectorized breast and face masks to promote peace and safety in barangays of Pasay City. The Tamang Nutrition at Vitamina C para sa kabataan, wherein we provided food, vitamins, and clean water, have brought simple joy to the children in the depressed area in Pasay. The club had become an instrument in delivering immediate assistance to the families devastated by the succeeding typhoon Ulysses and Rolly. We supported the DepEd's online learning module by distributing school supplies at the Jose Rizal Elementary School in Pasay. Cash aid given as well for the Philippine School for the Blind for buying more braille papers. Despite the pandemic, with our Pamaskang Handog projects, we also became part of giving joy by bringing back the spirit of Christmas through gift giving to our 25 abandoned babies and moms at Grace to be Born in Pasig. Moms whose mostly in their teen years have been molested by someone in the family. We also shared the same blessings to 70 abandoned elderlies in Anawing, Rizal Province. Towards the second quarter, we were able to accomplish our signature project called Palengke Waste to Organic Feeds, which was funded through district grant. With the black soldier fly, or BSF as catalyst, its larva only eats biodegradable waste or food waste at a very rapid rate. Once full grown, it becomes a perfect source of protein as feeds for the chicken, fish, and other exotic animals. For our financial obligations to the district and ORI, the club has spent approximately 80,000 pesos, including the latest January club invoice to ORI. 12 club meetings with an average of 50% attendance held through the first half, along with 9 fellowships in and out of the club. We also showed support to our classmate residents by attending at least 9 club inductions. The club's main channel in promoting its activity projects is through social media, Facebook and YouTube. A lot of project sponsors and beneficiaries have started communicating through this media. Club-sponsored infomercial that promotes road safety was republished via club's FB page. For our service projects, RCPS supported district mobility visibility and GIG last December and January. We also joined the Notorious Brothers in partnership with Group Alay Lutong Buhay in 2 bloodletting campaigns, Balayan, Batangas, Tanay, Rizal. To show our support to Mother Earth, I entered the club in tree planting activities with respect to appreciation to indigenous guild of the Dumagat. To help in growing our economies, our club advocates new traditional farming technologies such as hydroponic system, vertical club farming, and signature project life soldier flying. And last month for shores, the district activities our club involving. So to answer the question, I was ready. If I was ready, I believe it doesn't matter if you're ready or not. As long as you have the burning desire to live and serve, coupled with supportive members and district officers, just exactly what we have now, everyone has the huge potential to succeed. Thank you.
Alagang Maya. Woo! Woo! Notorious yan!
Okay. So,
alay na. Pero pinakagwapo pa rin si... Ito pala yung anak ko. Mamaya na lang.
Well done. It was, as far as I'm concerned, it was well rehearsed. We done it well. And of course, I've seen it that you have met all the challenges or the global challenges and met the Senator's goals. And of course, I'm confident you are eligible for the presidential vacation. Well, congratulations to your club and to you, maraming salamat at mabuhay po kayo.
Yes, thank you, Brian. That video shown a while ago just picked the curiosity of my mind. Where did you get such an idea? How did it start? And how widespread is this flagship project of yours of decomposing waste, food waste into making it feeds? Probably next time you could compost. How did it start?
Being a real estate broker, I normally met a lot of clients. So one of my clients, he used to stay, he's a retired individual, and now he's supporting a lot of civic activities. So we came to know this project because he introduced this kind of special client. Sabi ko, ano to lang, this is carrying space. So sabi niya, it's the other way around. In fact, it's very useful. It's called Black Soldier Fly. So fast forward, pumunta kami ng farm niya in Alfonso, Cavite. Sabi niya, this particular fly, walang ginawa kundi kumain during its larvae stage. Kain lang ng kumain. In one day, they can make like 10 kilos of food waste. So imagine yung mga food, yung mga tira-tira from palengke, kahit saan. It ends up in the dump, yung mga dump site. So this line is a solution to lessen this kind of waste. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. Thank you, Brian.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations. SDG Noel, I'd like to have an extension to congratulate our President in Pasay Barrio.